Hey everyone, want to create SEO reports in Looker Studio? In this video, I'll show you how to build an SEO dashboard step by step. First, open Looker Studio and create a new report. Connect your SEO data sources, such as Google Search Console, Google Analytics, or Google Sheets. Next, add important SEO metrics like clicks, impressions, average position, traffic, and conversions. These metrics help you understand how your website is performing in search. Now add charts, tables, and scorecards to visualize your SEO data. Use graphs to track trends and tables to analyze keywords and pages. You can also add date range controls and filters so you can compare different time periods or focus on specific pages and queries. Customize your report layout by adding titles, sections, and branding elements to make it professional and easy to read. After building your dashboard, check that all data is accurate and update settings if needed. Finally, save your SEO report and share it with your team or clients. And that's how you create SEO reports in Looker Studio. With the right data and visualizations, you can track search performance and make better SEO decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.